Greetings, citizens! I am LTT Moose, and this is Horseshoes and Hand Grenades. Last week, Equestria experienced an astronomical anomaly known as the supermoon. For a few nights, the moon appeared somewhat larger than normal. For most, this was merely a curiosity, or even a rarely seen beautiful event to be cherished and celebrated. However, there was one pony who was not amused. "We are not amused!" stated Princess Luna from high atop her observatory. The princess, who has nominal control over the moon's motions, indicated that this was not of her doing. Instead, this was clearly a direct threat from the moon itself for crimes committed there during her imprisonment. "We did unspeakable things during our captivity!" shouted Luna, who, despite her declaration, proceeded to speak of those very things at length and in great detail. Among the various misdeeds she listed were kicking moon rocks, building a machine to kick moon rocks, fostering an empire to run the machine that kicked moon rocks, and jaywalking. None of these crimes could be corroborated, as there was no pony else on the moon at the time. Now, Princess Celestia has given Luna a full and complete pardon for crimes committed during her time as Nightmare Moon. However, Luna cited that the moon's unnatural approach to the Earth was proof that the planetary body had not forgiven her and was coming to wreak its vengeance. In her own words, "The moon is a harsh mistress!" Luna continued to bellow to an assembly of astronomers at the Royal Canterlot's Academy of Sciences and Muffins. "Heed my words! There is a bad moon on the rise! Nay, a bad moon on the rise! By Star Swirl's beard, I said there is a bad moon on the rise! Dost thou wishest me to speak louder, that mine words might be heard correctly?" At which point, the building was evacuated for the safety of all in attendance. Speculation abounds as to the source of the larger-than-average moon. Everything from a rather admittedly mediocre return of Discord, to mischievous pegapodes dispensing water droplets as light reflectors, to science. Just science has been bandied about. This reporter decided to go straight to the source of the only other being with the power to manipulate interplanetary matter, Princess Celestia. While she did not give a straight answer, muttering something about swamp gas, igniting weather balloons, in the light of Venus, she did, however, promise swift and decisive action regarding her sister's unfounded concerns about an imaginary encroaching moon warden. Celestia has since flipped Luna's telescope around backwards. Seemingly appeased with the moon's retreat, Luna has nevertheless anticipated further trouble from the inanimate conglomeration of silicates. To quote her own ramblings, "The moon laughs knowingly! The moon laughs! The moon